From above, this place looks empty, just ice, endless frozen silence. But this is one of the most crowded worlds on Earth, and its most unlikely residents wear tuxedos. Penguins cannot fly, yet they are among the best swimmers on the planet. They spend more time in the ocean than on land. And some of them can dive deeper than most submarines made for humans. And somehow, they thrive where almost nothing else can. Penguins are social creatures. They live, travel, and survive together. They argue. They steal stones from each other. They wait. They reunite. In a world of ice and wind, they form families, communities, and lifelong bonds. They are clumsy on land but graceful underwater, turning cold oceans into their playground. But life here is not a cartoon. Beneath the charm, there is precision, discipline, and risk. Every journey is calculated. Every dive costs energy. Food is never guaranteed. Warmth is never permanent. Storms arrive without warning. The cold never negotiates. Yet penguins endure. They wait through darkness. They protect their young. They move together. Because alone, survival is unlikely. Penguins are masters of adaptation, not by strength, not by speed, but by balance. They take only what they need. They trust timing. They trust each other. In a world shaped by extremes, their survival depends on harmony with nature. They do not conquer the ice. They live with it. And perhaps, as we watch them from afar, standing upright in a frozen world, they remind us that survival is not about control, but about belonging. Every step across the ice comes at a cost. For penguins, survival is not a moment. It is a journey repeated every single day. They walk for miles through wind and cold, not knowing what waits ahead. Sometimes they return with food. Sometimes they return empty-handed, but they return. Not because it is easy, but because it must be done. In this frozen world, endurance is the quiet strength that keeps life moving forward.